Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to find stories you deleted on Instagram. So I'm going into my Instagram and there I'm going into my profile and tap on the hamburger menu on top of my screen and go to your activity. Here in your activity, you're going to find several options and at the bottom of your screen you have recently deleted. So there you're going to find those stories that you have deleted, also your posts, your Instagram lives, and so on. That's how you can find it. Perhaps you have not deleted that, you have archived it, so you must go back to your profile, tapping the hamburger menu again, and now go to archive. There you're going to find those stories, posts, or live that you have archived. You must tap on top where it says Stories Archive to find different options at the bottom of your screen and see what you have archived, okay? So that's how you can find stories you deleted on Instagram.